right, guys. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Hope y'all are doing well. I'm going to show you guys this home really quick. My client is running a little bit late, so I said, you know what? Let's make the most of this. This is over in Celina, over in Collin County. This community boasts Celina ISD. It's a really great community. And so let me show you. This is the model. This one is a 4-3 with a flex room. You have the ability to kind of modify it and make it your way. But let me just let y'all check out this builder as I wait on my client. All right, so this is really the garage, so we won't pay attention to this over on the left. But here is going to be your first bedroom. All right, it's going to be at the front of the house. All right, again, this one has a base price right now about $452. It's a 4-3 flat with a flex room, right? The flex room, you can make it into a study. You can keep it open. Here's the first bathroom. Right, this builder, you get to kind of design it. They have what we call packages. So you select a package, but I've sold quite a few of their homes over the years and families have enjoyed them. This is that flex room I was talking about, guys. So this is the flex room. You can close it off and make it a formal office by putting the doors on it. All right, that's going to go into the family room. I love the decorations, but let's go on this hallway. This hallway is going to give you the, this is your laundry room because really, guys, this office is the garage, right? So your garage, you'd come in, enter, you'd be in your washroom, right? Then you'd be right here. But y'all, this builder's doing it because you have I forgot it has 2 living areas. So you have another living area here, guys. This is a sweet floor plan. If you have children, this would be great to make a little playroom for them. That's right. So we got the 2 other bedrooms. Can y'all see how beautiful this floor plan is? It's a 4-3. It's a 4-3 with 2 living, with 2 living areas and a flex space. And it's all on one floor. What's the square footage of this one, ma'am? 2310. All right, y'all, and it's 2310 square feet. I love this floor plan. Right? So you could have your other children here. Here's third. Oh, they got some North Texas. My little sister went to University of North Texas. All right, so you got a bedroom here. Y'all see this little cute flex area? All right, you can make it a TV room, playroom, make it a playroom, and then they stay away from, you can keep your main one clean. All right, so let's go see the main one. All right, this was going to be our open floor plan. We call this kind of farmhouse style. See that your table is right here in front of your dining. Your dining is right in front of your living. Ooh, y'all, this is sweet, sweet, sweet. I love the decorations. Oh, look at that green and that. Oh, y'all, they showing out. Let me show y'all just some of the details. So here's the kitchen, open floor plan. Oh, they do a wonderful job decorating. All right, you got a corner pantry. All right, but this is a really coveted area, right? Is that her? Hey, lady. Hey, good morning. Good evening. All right, she's here. All right, I'm coming right now. Let me show y'all this right here. And then I'm going to go see her. This is the owner's retreat. UB, owner's retreat. All right, door. You got the tub and the shower. Again, they have packages, right? But really great. Oh, I love this green, y'all. They work in this green. Here's the closet. But 2310 square feet, guys. Base price $452. 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2 living, and a flex. She's cute, y'all. But look at this table, right? Look at this wall, y'all. Look at what they was doing, y'all. Y'all like that? Oh, my. They got that green again. I just showed y'all that green yesterday. That's a really pop color for builders. All right, I'll check in a bit. Y'all have a great one. Bye for now.